Hello students, welcome back. So this is the second group of the phylum Chordata, that is Craniata or Euchordata, and we'll be starting with the discussion about its characters. Now we'll be discussing about another group of the Chordata, that is the Craniata or Euchordata. So these are the higher chordates in which advanced characters are present, and these advanced characters include a prominent head, vertebral column, jaws and the cranium. There is only one subphylum present in this group, that is the phylum Vertebrata. So the phylum Vertebrata includes the animals in which the notochord is completely or partially replaced by a structure known as the vertebral column. The vertebral column is made up of so many vertebrae. There is a prominent head and a well-developed brain. The nerve cord is enclosed in the vertebral column. Animals are unisexual, and Vertebrata is further divided into two subdivisions, the Ignatha and the Gnathostomata. In the division Ignatha, jawless animals are present. So these animals are the lowest grade of vertebrates. The notochord is persistent. Mouth at the anterior end of the body is round, funnel shaped and suctorial, means sucking type. There are two semicircular canals present in the internal ear instead of three semicircular canals. One median pineal eye, that is the third eye, is found along with two lateral eyes on the head. The group Ignatha is divided into two classes, Ostracodermi and Cyclostomata. The internal ear in these animals works as a stetoreceptor, means organ of balance. The gill clefts are 5 to 16 pairs. The notochord and vertebral column are present in the adults also, and heart is two-chambered, and the two-chambered heart is called the venous heart because there is no differentiation between the oxygenated and the deoxygenated blood. The kidneys are protonephridia or mesonephric. So the mesonephric is a kind of a kidney in which there is a one pair of tubule that carries the urine from the embryonic kidney to the exterior or to a primitive bladder. The tail is the protocircle type. In the protocircle type of the tail, the vertebral column they extend to the tip of the tail like this. Suppose this is a tail, so the vertebral column is extending up to the tip of the tail. So this structure is the vertebral column and this is the tail. So this type of tail is known as the protocircle type. The animals are unisexual and fertilization is external and larval stage is absent except an amonocyte larva which is found during the development. The first class of the division Ignatha is the class Ostracodermi. In this class, all the animals are extinct. Two semicircular canals are present in the internal ear, and examples include Syphilapsis, which is a primitive vertebrate of the Ordovician period. The next class is the Cyclostomata, and this class includes all the jawless fishes. So these are the false fishes. The skin is soft, smooth and scaleless, and three eyes are found on the head, one median pineal and two lateral eyes. The examples include Petromyzon or lamprey. These are sanguivorous fishes, means feed on blood. And the larva, that is the amonocyte larva, is considered as the connecting link between the Cephalochordata and the Cyclostomata. The Petromyzon or the lamprey shows anadromous migration. This is a kind of migration in which the animals migrate from the marine water to the fresh water. The myxine or the hagfish, that is a slime eel, has archaeonephric kidney. So this archaeonephric kidneys can also be known as the mesonephric kidney. Other examples can be Telostama and Ichthyomycin. Our next division is the division Gnatostomata, and in this division, animals or the animals that are present have true jaws. So these are well-developed vertebrates. The vertebral column is well-developed and movement is by paired fins or legs. The pineal eye, that is the third eye, is absent. There are 3 semicircular canals in the internal ear instead of 2, and for respiration, gills or lungs are used. Gnatostomata is divided into 2 superclasses based on locomotory organs, respiratory organs, heart and blood vascular system, and these 2 superclasses are Pisces and Tetrapoda. About the superclass Pisces, these include all the true fishes. And the body of these fishes is covered by dermal scales, but in catfish, torpedo and Velagonia, there are no dermal scales, so these fishes are scaleless fishes. The paired fins are present for swimming. Example, the paired fins are the pectoral and the pelvic fins, and the unpaired fins are the dorsal fin and the caudal fin. So the pectoral fin is present on each side of the body, just beneath the operculum. The pelvic fin is located below the pectoral fin. And about the unpaired fins, the first one is the dorsal fin. They are present on the back of the fishes. They assist the fishes in taking sudden turns or stops, and it also prevents the fishes against rolling. The caudal fin is also known as the tail fin, and it is used for propulsion. The respiration is by gills, and gills are 4 to 7 pairs, and they may be naked or covered by the operculum. The heart is 2-chambered and is known as the venous heart. RBC are nucleated, and sinus venosus and renal and hepatic portal system are also found. Sinus venosus is a cavity at the venous side of the heart. The portal system is a system present in the circulatory system in which the capillary bed, before reaching the heart, it goes into a specific organ system. Like for example, in renal portal system, the capillary bed before reaching the heart goes into the kidneys. That's why it is known as the renal portal system. And in case of hepatic portal system, the capillaries, they first go into the liver before reaching the heart. In the skull of the fishes, only one occipital condyle is present. The occipital condyle are the external protuberances present in the skull. So when it is present, if it is present only one in number, if it is one in number, that is known as the monocondylar type, that is present in the fishes. The lateral line receptor system is present in the body of the fishes. This lateral line receptor systems help in the detection of vibrations in the water. The kidneys are mesonephric type, also known as archaeonephric type. These are cold-blooded or poikilothermic animals, except the tuna fish and the swordfish. These are not cold-blooded fishes. The small fishes are called fry or hatchling. The fishes show seasonal migration also in a particular season, like if it is catadromous migration, the fishes migrate from the fresh water to the marine water, as in Angela. And if it is anadromous type, the fishes migrate from the marine water to the fresh water, as in salmon, sturgeon and hilsa. If the fish can tolerate a narrow range of salinity in the water, they are called stenohaline. And if they can tolerate a wide range of salinity in the water, they are known as euryhaline. The superclass Tetrapoda includes the animals having 2 pairs of pentadactylous limbs. Gills are present but only in the embryonic stage. The main respiratory organs are the lungs in the adults. The exoskeleton is made up of scales, feathers or hair, and endoskeleton is made up of bones. The heart is 3 to 4 chambered and there is double circulation found in these animals. The kidneys are mesonephric or the metanephric. The metanephric is a kind of kidney in which there is a ciliated funnel type of opening that opens into the coelom or the body cavity of the animals. The middle ear is present. Birds and mammals also have external ears. Tetrapoda is divided into 4 classes: Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves and Mammals. So these are the 4 classes of Tetrapoda. So students, in this part we discussed about the characters of the vertebrata, and we also discussed about all the characters of Agnatha and Gnathostomata. Now in the next part we'll be starting off with the classes of the Gnathostomata, so stay tuned for that.